What is up, you guys? It is your boy Watt here, back for another video here today, and we are going to be talking about something pretty epic, in my opinion. Okay, so if you guys did not see, I had a video about a month ago, and it was about this company called Smile Direct Club. Basically, they're like an invisible aligner company, and they fix your teeth. Now, that video was more or less a little bit more negative than this video will be. This video is about a company called Curology, and it's about how I got my skin looking a lot more healthy and lively. So if you're looking to do the same thing and you want your skin to look a lot better than it does right now, and you're like self-conscious about your skin, then this is the video for you. So stay tuned, sit back and relax, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
This, my friends, is a momentous day, and that is because I have received a package. What is this package, you're wondering? Well, I'm gonna tell you right now. So if you've never heard of Curology, it is this company that invests in skincare. And as you guys can probably tell, your boy needs some help with the skincare. Look at this acne, man. It's really bad. So as a lot of you know, I've been doing Invisalign for a while now, and my teeth have gotten a lot straighter thanks to that. And the two things that I've been most insecure about my entire life is my acne and my teeth. And so now that my teeth are getting straighter, I felt like it was time to get on track with my skin. I've tried so many products you guys don't even know. I bought this one that was like 85 bucks. Can't even remember where I got it from. But that one was working for a little bit, and then somebody stole it while I was out here. But now thanks to this, hopefully my skin will get better.
Okay, so this shouldn't be too long. We're just gonna talk about it real quick. This is like pretty much like a 3-month journey. It's more or less 5-month journey, but we're gonna be talking about the 3 months I put into it. So it's 5 months later, but it's 3 months. 3 months. So my whole life I have struggled with acne. It has been because of stress, because of, you know, relationship issues, which is also because of stress, and it's been, you know, water polo, which is also stress. But I played water polo pretty much my whole life. I started as a freshman in high school, so I'm in the chlorine every single day, and my skin obviously is gonna get really dried out and stuff, but it actually helped my skin. I have a naturally oily face, so it dried out all the oil from my face. So I didn't start breaking out until after I was finished with water polo, which was in college. So I did 2 years of water polo in college, and then I finished with that, got into a relationship, and then I started breaking out left and right. Now at first I thought it was because of the face wash I was using, so I changed the face wash, but that didn't help. I was still breaking out. After I got out of the relationship, it got a lot worse because it was just more stress and just depression and like that, you know, that whole thing. All of that has stuff to do with your face. So that causes you to break out and just look terrible. Now, if you have acne and you're feeling awful about yourself, just know it is not the end of the world. It's a freaking pimple. Like, whether your face looks like this or your face looks like this, we're still human beings, and we should treat each other with the utmost respect, even though some people probably aren't going to be attracted to the acne. It's okay, because it will go away. You just have to learn how to get rid of it for your specific skin. That's why this company, Curology, is really good. Now, I am not a dermatologist. I don't know anything about skin except for the stuff that I have a WebMD'd. So if you want professional advice, do not take my opinion. But if you would like somebody who has gone through it and who knows what they're talking about to an extent, because obviously my skin has gotten a lot better than it was, and this is the video for you, and you can take the advice from me. Okay, so let's first talk about how my skin looked before. I had lots of acne. I would have little red bumps all over my face, and then I would get the occasional big zit. I had like cystic acne down here, which is just like, it would fill with pus, and there's just huge pimples down here, and it was the worst thing ever. I hated it. And then after all that was gone, I had really bad acne scars, and it was just pure red here, pure red. And hopefully I'm putting up some pictures on the screen so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. But obviously now you can see, if we were to zoom in on my face here, you can see that my skin is a lot more clear. It has a lot less redness. It's a lot more healthy looking, and that is because I've started using this stuff called Curology. Now, what Curology is, how do I explain this to you? Curology is delicious, delectable, and delightful. No, but seriously, Curology is basically, it's like a lotion for your face. That's not basically what it is, that's what it is. Most people will give you a really good face wash to use, and obviously that's gonna be, you know, your main go-to. What I use is I use this stuff called Cetaphil. That works really well for pretty much all types of skin, but that works really well for me. So what I'll do is in the morning, I'll wash my face. This is my routine that you guys, you know, could follow if you have similar skin to me. I have naturally oily skin. I wash my face in the morning, most days, and if not, I'll go in and rinse it with water. After I go to the gym, I'll then wash my face again, and I do have like a little moisturizer I put on because Curology is only for night. And then right when I go to bed, I wash my face and then I apply the Curology. So you want to make sure you put this on every night, and I cannot stress this enough because I didn't do it the first couple nights, or I did it like now and then and for the first couple weeks actually, and it didn't help out that much. But when I started using it every day and my skin got adjusted to it, it really made a drastic difference. So right now I'm going to show you the very first month of use right before I started using it. Here's the second month, beginning of the second month after I started using it, and here is the third month right here, which is basically right now. And as you can see, just in like a little time span, just 3 months, you can see how much better it has gotten. And guys, I will not lie to you. I cannot lie to you. I would not make this up. If you guys saw my other review, it wasn't good on Smile Direct Club. So obviously I'm not going to support a company that I don't really like. So this company is honestly amazing, and I cannot believe it. What you do is you go online, you take this little survey and ask you about your skin, what kind of acne you have, and what you're trying to get out of the treatment. So you go in and you put in all that information, and then basically it designs this specific bottle just for your skin. So if somebody were to use my specific Curology, they would probably break out. Mine is specific for me, just for my skin, which is amazing. Like, what other company really does that? Now, I do have like a little code. This is not a sponsored video or anything. People thought my last video was sponsored. It's not. I do have a little code that you guys can use, and I believe it either gets you your first shipment for $5 or it's free, and then I think it's like $5 for shipping, something like that. So if you guys want to try that out and you just try out the Curology for like a month just to see how it fits for your skin, it's $5. You can do that. There's a link down in the description. You can just go fill that out. It's like no obligations or anything. Just go try it. Give it a chance. I promise you it will work. And if it doesn't, I think they have like some kind of money back guarantee. I don't know, but it's $5. Who cares? It's $5. Full disclosure, I didn't only use Curology. I was using something else that was helping my skin a lot, so we're going to talk about that right now. This is a message from our sponsor that's not really our sponsor. So welcome to the sponsor that's not really our sponsor. Today we are going to be talking about what has helped my skin other than Curology, and this is called a derma roller. If you don't know what a derma roller is, here's a derma roller. Let me open it up for you. So basically it's just this little, looks like kind of like a razor with a roller on it, and basically what it has are tiny little micro needles. Let me explain this. All you do, maybe 2 times a week, if you have a lot of acne scars, what you're gonna do is you're gonna rub this, you're gonna get your face wet, you're gonna wash your face, get your face wet, and then you're gonna rub this 10 times in each little spot, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, and then after you're done with it, you're gonna stick it in some alcohol to, you know, make sure it doesn't get infected. But what this does is it creates little micro tears in your skin, which it does not hurt you. This does not hurt you. It just creates little micro tears so that your skin can repair itself a lot easier. So this has seriously helped me in my acne scars because I had really, really bad scars. So all it did was, you know, just repair the damage. Obviously, I'm still going through the treatment, still going and using this twice a week. I would use it on like a Monday and then like a Thursday or something like that. It's really just been making my skin look a lot healthier. I cannot stress this enough to you. I absolutely love it. So if you guys want to give that a try, there's a link down in the description. I think it's only like $10 or something like that. There's a lot of cheap ones on Amazon, so I'll put a couple links, or maybe like 1 or 2 links in the description if you guys want to click on that and go check them out. All right, now back to our regular schedule program. But guys, that is pretty much going to be it. I hope you guys enjoyed. This has been a very big journey for me, and honestly, I am just super happy with how my skin is right now. If you guys knew me before or watched my videos back then, you would see that my skin was just awful. It was hard to look at. People are always in the comment section talking about my skin. It made me really self-conscious. That's probably been the second most self-conscious thing about me, my teeth and my skin. So these 2 companies have really honestly made me feel a lot better about myself. So if you guys do want to try it out, make sure you go check out the link in the description for both things. And just so you guys know, I do stream on Twitch every day. I stream Apex and or Fortnite. So if you guys want to check that out, you can go down in the description below. If you guys play Fortnite, you can use code WATT-YT in the item shop, and then you guys get an exclusive wrap for your guns and your vehicles. But that is going to be it for today's video, so thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for so much support on the Smile Direct Club video. Make sure you guys leave a comment down in the description, because I know we sometimes can get a lot of views, but we don't get any comments. So if you guys want to leave a comment for me, it would be much appreciated. Go ahead and tell me down below if you guys are going to try out the Curology or not, if you have already tried out the Curology and has it worked for you. If you guys want to leave a like on the video, it's much appreciated. You can leave a like or a dislike if you're a hater. Either one helps me out. And if you guys want to subscribe, you can do that by clicking at the end of the video or down below. Either one works. That is going to be it for today. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one, which is probably going to be Friday at like 5 p.m. Okay, peace.